Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to reset Google Drive for desktop. If you've ever faced issues with Google Drive for desktop, like syncing problems or unexpected errors, you know how frustrating it can be. These issues might disrupt your workflow and cause unnecessary stress. Fortunately, resetting or restarting Google Drive for desktop can often resolve these kinds of problems. Essentially, this involves reinstalling the application, giving it a fresh start to work without any pesky bugs or glitches. Let's dive into the detailed steps on how to do this. To begin with, the process of resetting Google Drive for desktop involves uninstalling the current version of the application from your computer and then reinstalling it. Think of this as giving the application a fresh reboot, which can often clear out issues that have accumulated over time. So, let's walk through the steps one by one. First, you need to uninstall Google Drive for desktop. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop. Look for the Windows icon, which is usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on this icon to bring up the Start menu. Here, you'll notice a search bar that allows you to type in commands or search for apps. In this search bar, type in Add or Remove Programs. As you type, you should see a suggestion popping up that matches what you're typing. Click on this suggestion, and it will take you to the system settings where you can manage your installed applications. Now, within the Add or Remove Programs settings, you will find another search bar specifically designed to help you locate any installed apps on your computer. In this search bar, type Google. This action will filter the list, showing you all applications related to Google that are currently installed on your machine, including Google Drive for desktop. Once you see Google Drive for desktop in the list, direct your attention to the three dots situated next to it. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with more options. Among these options is Uninstall. Click on Uninstall and follow any prompts that may appear on the screen. You might be asked to confirm your decision to uninstall, so go ahead and do that. This will initiate the uninstallation process, effectively removing Google Drive for desktop from your computer. With the application uninstalled, the next crucial step is to reinstall it. To do this, visit the official Google Drive website where you can download the latest version of Google Drive for desktop. Follow the installation instructions provided on the website to complete the installation process. This straightforward yet comprehensive procedure should help resolve any persistent issues you've been experiencing with Google Drive for desktop. By starting fresh, you create a clean slate for the application to run smoothly, without the hindrances of previous complications or malfunctions. However, if problems persist even after this reset, it might be beneficial to check Google support for additional troubleshooting tips and solutions that could help you resolve any lingering issues. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to reset Google Drive for desktop. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.